Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add follow button in Facebook comments. So let's get started. First thing first, all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. After that, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. You can see the settings. Tap on it. After you tap on it, scroll down and tap on how people may find you option available there, and make sure that all the options are turned in everyone or public. So after making the option everyone or public, you will get to see the follow option available on your comment every time you comment on anybody's photo or video. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.